NATO is really a Western hegemony, said Stephen Endegwa, an international relations lecturer at the Nairobi-based United States International University Africa in Kenya. He made the remarks while commenting on the ongoing 2022 NATO summit in Spain. He added that as there is more economic turmoil in Europe arising from the Russia-Ukraine crisis than in the US, Europe should negotiate with Russia, so that their economies do not tumble, even as they try to overwhelm Russia with sanctions.
I think it is now obvious that the North Atlantic Treaty Organization is really a Western hegemony. And the fact that now it is mobilizing other Western countries to join them supposedly to stop Russia. Their main objective is to maintain dominance over other countries. And now, unfortunately, it is going to stoke the fires of the Russian-Ukraine crisis. Not all countries are reading on the same page in the Russia-Ukraine crisis. And the bullying that the US has engaged is what is keeping that facade of a unified force against Russia. The US is not dependent so much on Russia's resources like Europe is dependent. And so really Europe is going to be, or has been holding the short end of the stick. There is more economic turmoil in Europe arising from the Russia-Ukraine crisis than in the US. So I think Europe will really have to wake up and smell the coffee and decide to negotiate with Russia so that their economies do not tumble, even as they try to overwhelm Russia with the sanctions.